Now we're going to use potential energy to solve for mass. And the first thing that we need to do is to rearrange our equation. So here's our basic equation for potential energy, mass times gravity times height. And I want to solve for mass. I can actually do that in one single step. Everything that is with mass on the right side of the equation needs to go away. So I'm going to divide by G, and I'm going to divide by H. Whatever I do on one side, I do the same thing on the other side. Cancels out here, cancels out here. And I'm left with mass is equal to PE divided by GH. Now let's plug that into a real problem. What is the mass of a tourist standing on top of a 3.9 meter high tower with 2,900 joules of potential energy? Now the first thing that we're going to remember again is G is equal to 10 meters per second squared. Our acceleration due to gravity on Earth is 10 for equations. We know that it's really 9.8, but we use 10 for calculations. Then as we read the question, we see 3.9 meters. That's our height. It tells us it's 3.9 meters high. And we have 2,900 joules of potential energy. So now I'm going to just plug all my numbers in. And I've got 2,900 divided by 10 times 3.9. I multiply those together and I get 2,900 joules divided by 39 is going to be my mass. And when I plug that in the calculator and round it correctly, I get 74 kilograms. So a tourist that has a mass of 74 kilograms, standing 3.9 meters off the ground, has 2,900 joules of potential energy.